if I'm pretty if I fail my finals?
Last final week of a bachelor's degree.
It happened.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mehak. Today is Friday and my first final is on Monday. However, today I will just clean my desk. I think my desk here is a representation of my brain. I'm so messed up in my brain. I am worrying about my finals, I'm worrying about my thesis defense, which is also after finals, and I'm also worried about what will be the life after graduating. And one of the reason of starting a YouTube because I need some hobby to do it to keep me busy. And here I am organizing my desk, so my organizing technique is just have things in a quick access which I need for my exams preparation or for my finals preparation. And here I am bringing out my admit slip which I got printed a day before. I got my admit slip printed in the morning, so right now I'm just cutting it short so it can easily fix in my pencil case. And guys, I'm saying I'm not a minimalist. I have three different types of pen in three different types of color, and I am a strong believer of whatever your content is of your exam, your writing should be pretty. Like, guys, you're writing a bullshit, but that bullshit should look pretty. And I just believe in it, and it is what it is. Guys, finally the decision has been made. I have selected the pens who gonna accompany me in examination hall. Almost 17 hours before my first last final, here I am making myself a affogato. Guys, I am saying it and you should quote it. Caffeine is the best way to set a mood to study. And here I am just yapping about my schedule. Like, it is so bad. It is so bad. Like, I have 5 days gap between each paper and I have three finals. See, I cannot study until I am panicking because in the start 2 years of this degree, exams used to be like in 1 week, six papers and it's done. Like sometimes we have for paper on Sunday, and it was like chaos and panic and crisis and breakdowns. It's not in these exams, so it's not making me feel like I'm giving my finals. And here I'm just going through my notes, like sure that I have covered a topic before, and if I have not, I should start with that. Also in background, I'm watching Hometown Cha Cha Cha. I am recently introduced to K drama. It's not like that I'm recently introduced. My friend keep yapping and keep forcing me about it, but I have just recently get my interest in it. And here, see, ma'am got distracted after studying for 5 minutes, and I'm back again distracted. And here I just highlighted and read the topics, and that's what it is. You don't need to learn everything, you just need to like get your concept clear, and that's the best way to study. I told you guys the best way to study is to get your concept clear. And once I am done with clear getting like all my concept, I actually do one thing is wrote a full essay with like introduction, the crisis, the issue, discussing the issue, resolving matters, and then a conclusion. So it just gave me the help that I have covered, and my brain, which is very dumb, have remembered everything. See, here I am again on call with my friend, and we were just yapping about how bad this paper going to be. And here we got on a call and we teach each other, and this was my desk. And here we were also like, I got to get a new information and I gave her that as well. We teach each other. And this is my snack, bean paper snack. Like, I just love these popcorns, like yummy toffee popcorn. This is the chaos of my desk, and here I'm showing like I started at 5 and I just got done at almost 12. Getting in university and all, I'm going for my first final and like showing you some views, walking. Okay, now I'm out. I didn't show in between because between was not good, and we are going out to have a breakfast. We just celebrate after every paper. Doesn't care how bad that paper was, but we need to celebrate. And we went to Xander's, and we all Karachiites can understand the love for Xander's. We ordered sriracha fries, and here we are, the trio. And we ordered dill chicken pasta. I don't know if I'm not naming it properly, but it is. You can see it is. Xander's whole menu is very famous. And then we went to Melbrew to have a coffee, drooling over it, and I don't remember what I got. I would have probably got a Spanish latte, and this. Yes, I have skipped days in between, and here we are just again 17 hours before. I just woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. I don't know, but my mood wasn't right there. So my mom got me a biryani because biryani is a comfort food. And I'm also drooling right now, guys. I can understand you if you're drooling too. It was yum. I just want to eat again. This is post lunch, and I directly get into the grind. And my second final was a migration and diaspora. This course is just talk about illegal migration or illegal migrants and how they suffer, how the hosting country treats them. And this course doesn't need a lot of like work. It just needs your concept to be cleared, and you should have a good examples, like good real life with stats examples to code an exam, and your girl is good with examples. And actually this course doesn't have a lot of studying to do, so I just didn't study for this course that much. Like, I gave a 4 hours grind, but that was it for this course. But my last exam is difficult, and you guys gonna see me having the grind. I woke up and I just realized that I was late for my class paper, and I ran to university. And guys, I'm just. This is so beautiful. The view was so beautiful. The sky was so beautiful. And guys, I cannot shoot a lot of content at university because I am so shy right now. And yeah. Here we are 36 hours before third and last final. It is Sunday and next final is on Tuesday. I'm just getting started. I haven't studied for this course anything. The professor was so shitty. He didn't even teach anything. I'm not gonna name drop, but I'm on the urge of name dropping him. He has done so bad to me in like overall the situation. I will even do some tea dropping as well later on. For that we will have a different vlog, but here I just told you guys in earlier in this vlog that caffeine is a way to set the mood. So I just ordered myself a coffee, and I'm trying to blend for the first time. And I ordered their mint mocha latte, and it's so yummy and so good. I always drank mint mocha latte from Melbrew. but they recently have a shortage of mocha, like chocolate powder, so I have to find an alternative, and I found a alternative. And blend is also cheaper than Melbrew, guys. Yeah. And here I just get into the grind, everything like set. And here we are on the next day, Monday, seeing ourselves after 12 to almost 24 hours. Yeah, I'm so bad. And I just made myself a Ruabza latte. I was trying and I didn't like it. Actually, Ruabza is Ruabza and latte should be latte. Do not mix these two. And see how much grind I was doing. I was learning for this course like again and again, writing the same thing on the whiteboard. If still I didn't succeed in this course, I will cry out so loud. But still, I can't leave. I studied till 4 a.m. and I didn't sleep at night. I was so scared. I just pulled a all-nighter and went to give my finals. I will leave a tea over here. I got a good grades. Like I got A minus in this, so that's a good thing. And this was like after exam view, and we went for biryani outing. I told you guys bed paper equals to comfort food, and see guys how much I love Blend now. I went again over there within like 48 hours, and I drank same latte. Me, my friend, and his cousin, her cousin, we all three went together. And this is it, guys, and I hope you like it. I have kept this voiceover very raw, and I want it to be very raw. So see you guys in the next vlog.
Have you ever met Jenny?